Quad HD at 120 frames per second, Snapdragon 888, and no Samsung Galaxy Note in 2021. Samsung has come to refresh screen records big time. Hi there, I'm David, your favorite Literati, and I make summarized tech news videos close to the release or announcement of a new smartphone, and I would advise that you subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't have to waste time trying to keep up with the latest, but you know that when I upload, you get everything there is to know about a new upcoming smartphone. And without taking any more time, let's get into it. Okay, like I said, Samsung has come to refresh records big time. Yes, big time. First of all, we're expecting the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S21 series in mid-January, maybe on the 14th of January, as leaked by Ice Universe, which is a bit earlier than the regular February or May launch date. Why? We don't know yet. People are linking it to maybe there might be a special launch event for the Galaxy Fold. And now about the performance of the Samsung Galaxy S21. It is rumored and very likely that the SoC that will power the Snapdragon variants of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is going to be the Snapdragon 888. It could be the Exynos 2100, which is now said to be performing better than the Snapdragon 865 SoC, which could be used for the Samsung S21, for the Samsung Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. But let's keep our fingers crossed that we get Snapdragon 888 on all three versions of the Samsung Galaxy S21. I will talk more on the Snapdragon 888 in another video, and I will link it in the description below. The renders do look nice. This is the silver color and we're expecting a purple color variant. The renders do show a bit of a camera bump, but I like this design where the camera module is flush with the side chassis of the device and it looks new, interesting and futuristic. Also, the upcoming colors are going to be Phantom Violet, Phantom Grey or Silver. The front of the device still has a visible front-facing camera, so it doesn't look like Samsung is going to be using the invisible front-facing camera in its S21 lineup. The bezels do look very thin, they look razor-blade thin and very uniform, which looks really premium and symmetrical. But rumors suggest that the S21 and the S21 Plus would come with flat displays, and only the S21 Ultra would have a slightly curved display, which has been confirmed by Ice Universe when he leaked the official protective film of the S21 phones. Speaking of the display, we're expecting the Samsung Galaxy S21 to have a 6.2 Full HD Plus display with a refresh rate of 120Hz, and the S21 Plus to come with a 6.7 inches dynamic AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 122Hz also. And for the big bad S21 Ultra, we are expecting a 6.8 dynamic AMOLED X2 screen with a refresh rate of 120Hz Quad HD resolution using LTPO display technology. On the camera aspect, the zoom camera would have an optical zoom capability of 10 times, which is 2 times better than the 5 times optical zoom we had on the S20 Ultra. They've also managed to increase the sensor size for the telephoto camera, which would mean much better low light performance and more color accuracy. The rumored pricing states that the Samsung Galaxy S21 will be starting with a price of $850, which is 330,000 naira, and the S21 Plus will cost around $1,050, which is 400,000 naira, and the S21 Ultra will cost about $1,250, which is 475,000 naira. This is not exactly verified pricing, but this is what we've heard. And we've also heard that it's still under discussions, and that's it for the S21. And from what we're hearing, it sounds like the Samsung Galaxy S21 is going to be replacing the Samsung Galaxy Note for 2021. Reports have stated that the S21 and the Galaxy Fold will replace the Samsung Galaxy Note series, which is sad. There will be S Pen support on the S21 Ultra, and we are not sure if we're going to get the S Pen with the phone or it will be sold as a separate product. But then there are also some leakers and people, including me, who believe that the Samsung Galaxy Note is still going to be a thing. I personally think that they pushed the S21 launch date a bit earlier to make more space for the new major flagship series, which is the Z series, the foldable series. But no Note phones have been registered so far, but all we can do is wait and hope and see what Samsung does. Very soon in this video, I'll be going into the detailed specs of the Samsung Galaxy S21. So if you want that, stick around to the end of this video. But before we go there, let's talk about Samsung's new truly wireless earbuds, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. And if you've made it this far in this video, please comment if you'll be getting the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro and like this video. Okay, so the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro are Samsung's fourth truly wireless earbuds. And from the leaks and renders, it looks like they're going to be in-ear silicon tip earbuds. and they are also expected to come with active noise cancellation, which is amazing on its own and will definitely rival Apple's AirPods Pro. The battery of the case, according to China's 3C, is going to be a 472 mAh battery. Okay, remember the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus? Yes, the one that can last 11 hours on the full charge has a 270 mAh battery. So that means we should be expecting almost twice the battery life on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro with active noise cancellation turned off, of course. As usual, these wireless earphones last longer when the active noise cancellation is turned off. They are expected to be released with the Samsung Galaxy S21 series in the 14th of January 2021, and they would also have colors like the Samsung Galaxy S21. There will be Phantom Grey, Phantom Purple, or Silver. I'll make another video before the event, so if you want to see that, subscribe to my channel. And now for the specs of the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Let me know what you think about this lineup down in the comments. If you loved the video, a sub would be massively appreciated. If that was just decent, a thumbs up would do for now. That's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.